Hello everyone. If your YouTube subtitles is not appearing on your video on YouTube, in this video we are providing you with the fixes. So let's just dive right in and get started. Start by opening up the video on the YouTube application, head over to video, and once you are headed over to the video, tap on it and ensure this option at the very top, the subtitle, the CC option is turned on, and ensure the captions and the subtitles are turned on. You can look out for the gear icon as well, and look out for this option of captions and make sure it is selected and check it out. Apart from that, what you can do is you can just go over and basically look out for your playback and performance section usually. So go to your profile and then settings at the top, and within the settings look out for the captions option, and within captions ensure the option is turned on, show captions, it is enabled. You can check it out. If that's not the case, you can clear out the cache of YouTube, hold the application and go to the info. And from there, you can scroll down, go to the stories and tap on it. And look out for the clear cache option and clear out the cache for your YouTube application there. And also update the application. Go to Play Store for that. Go to the search and search for YouTube. And look out for update if there is any kind of update available. And that should also probably work for you. Sometimes it's a temporary bug that resolves itself, and also disable any kind of VPN that you may be using while trying to access the video. And that's it. Usually those are probably the method you can follow up to fix that issue. So we hope this video was helpful. Do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.